Welcome to Global Auto Digest, where we bring you the hottest updates in the world of two-wheelers. Today, we dive into the 2026 Yamaha MT-15 version 2.0, a machine that blends raw power, aggressive styling, and advanced technology to redefine the Streetfighter segment. If you thought the MT-15 was already impressive, wait until you see what Yamaha has done for 2026. Aggressive and street-ready design. The 2026 Yamaha MT-15 version 2.0 retains its signature muscular look but takes it to the next level with sharper body lines, a bolder fuel tank design, and an even more menacing LED projector headlamp. The new color options, premium decals, and aerodynamic tank shrouds enhance its road presence, making it impossible to ignore on the streets. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the MT-15 version 2.0 continues to be powered by Yamaha's 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, four-valve engine with variable valve actuation (VVA), now fine-tuned for smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and an assist and slipper clutch, it delivers a thrilling yet refined riding experience. Expect around 18.5 PS of power, and a top speed crossing 130 km per hour. Advanced features and tech. Yamaha has equipped the 2026 MT-15 version 2.0 with a fully digital LCD display featuring Bluetooth connectivity via the Yamaha Y-Connect app, allowing riders to track calls, messages, and bike stats. Dual-channel ABS, upside-down front forks, and a lightweight Delta box frame ensure confident handling and safety at high speeds. Comfort and ride quality. With improved seat cushioning, an upright riding posture, and better suspension tuning, the MT-15 version 2.0 is perfect for both city commutes and weekend highway runs. The bike's lightweight frame and nimble handling make it an ideal choice for riders who crave agility. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha MT-15 version 2.0 isn't just a facelift, it's an evolution. With its aggressive design, enhanced performance, and cutting-edge tech, Yamaha has once again proven why the MT series dominates the Streetfighter category. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Auto Digest for more exciting bike updates.